Hey guys, my name is Saurabh for Perlim. So basically this video is to learn about how to check bulk sites, analysis bulk sites. So basically what we are going to do is we are using Href tool for this. So basically first we are going to batch analysis. So I have some link to work on. So basically let me copy this all the URLs and paste over here. Analysis. This is a very good tool for to competitive analysis or to check some links in a bulk. So basically yeah, this is a very good tool. So basically we have filter out this traffic. So we filter out the traffic. So basically we will check the links one by one. First go to this. Okay, this one is good because why I'm saying is good because as you can see the referring domain is 29.1k, right, and the backlinks is 1.26 m. So basically it's good because whatever the referring domain number is, whatever the amount is, like 4 or 5, the amount should be, the backlink should be 3 4 to 5 times of referring domain. Backlinks will be should be like 3 4 to 5 times of referring domain. So this is a very good domain. So we can look for this website. So basically yeah, let me then, after clarifying this one, then go to the backlink section and select, filter out the do follow links. So result, where you can see the links, we can then filter out the domain rating. Yeah, so now we will check the content, whatever the content is published on high DB sites. So let me check one by one first. So this is okay. See the see the anchor text isn't here. I think it's redirect to another page, so it's not valid. uh, See, remember about, you need to see the redirect the links. Okay, you need to check the if the URLs are redirect or not. So okay, check the medium link. The what's the anchor text, let me check. See, this is a link over here. Okay, okay, we can still consider this because some of the high domain rating sites link to this site. So yeah, so basically you need to check the content, whether the content is good or not. Okay, so basically you need to check all the content, whether the content is good or not. If the content is not good and related to some other sites, then it will be worry about. So basically that thing you need to check. And same thing you have to check for other sites as well. Same criteria you need to follow, like first for referring domain backlinks, then go to that backlinks, uh, select do follow, check all the URLs, filter out the domain rating. In this way you can have the best sites to work on. So in this way you can find the best sites. So this is all, and this is the video for how to check links in a bulk in using Href. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you.